Okay, we got our box. Corrugated box. Cardboard box. Alright, so now you want to figure out where you want your train. Okay, we found our train. It's right there. But, alright, where do we want our mountain? Well, we're going to say we want it back here on that curve. Alright. So what you're going to do is put this box how you want that train. Again. Alright. So let's say we're going to just build that up right there. So what we're going to do is say, alright, the track's coming out here. You're going to mark where that track is. Let's center that out a little bit more. Alright, that's right there. Okay, that one's right there. Alright. So, now you're gonna so let's go out here. Okay, we got our box. Alright. Get yourself a knife. Doesn't have to be a Rambo knife, but. And what you want to do, cut all the flaps off. Alright, now that the flaps are cut off, what I did is, this is a simulation. You like that word? Simulation. This is the train board. This is our curve that we want to put our mountain on. There's our one opening. So you're going to put that over your curve on your train board. And you want to give yourself enough room, I mean at least an inch or two on each side. You got a good picture of that, Joe? See the room you got on there? Give yourself plenty of room. Mountains have got big openings. But, like I said, if you got to go a little bit further, there you go. Alright. Get our Rambo knife. Let's cut those out.
Well, always being careful.
Always cut away from yourself. Don't. No, just kidding. Alright, there's one. Doesn't have to be pretty, because you're just going to foam beaver dam out of it. Alright. Like I said, they don't have to be pretty. Now you're going to set that on your layout. Alright. What you want to do now is glue that box down. Make sure you center it up so you got plenty of room on there. Alright. Box is glued down. Then what you want to take is your foam